Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I have another not new, maybe not new, but a totally unconventional programming language that I get to know about from the YouTube comments actually. Yes, at last someone suggested me a good another unconventional programming language that is in Hindi. Okay, so this programming language is totally in Hindi, and I always say in my videos, please let me know about the video topic, whatever the video topic is, that kind of more products or more things. Okay, and at last in the like comment section of Vilang, someone mentioned about this programming language, so that's why I am sharing it with you today. So let's just look at it and let's see what we have in this programming language. Okay. So here is our today's programming language, that is Kalam. Maybe from the name pain it came, like Kalam. Yeah, writing code, like writing. Yeah, pain. Yeah, basically mean pain. I am not good at Hindi, to be honest, but still I can read Hindi. So that's why I am I am being able to read all of this programming languages, or what programming language that is called is literals. Okay, but I know this is not a video for all. This is a video for specifically Hindi talking people, or even like those people who know how to read or write Hindi. Maybe you don't know how to write Hindi, but reading Hindi is like enough to learn this language. And I don't know why you want to learn this language, because that doesn't make sense. It's too much unconventional. This is a great thing to fiddle around, have some fun, but yeah, it's not a mainstream programming language. So what are the literals that we have? Okay, it's now what I can see is it's way more developed than Vilang for sure. Okay, because it has more literals than Vilang in here. So first of all, we have देखिए. Now what is देखिए? देखिए specifically results को output screen में screen पे दिखाने के लिए. Okay, so basically this is for displaying. So this is print. Simply this is print. Okay, then yeah, देखिए hello world. Yeah, this is basically print, and we can add concatenation as well in it. Oh, that's great, right? That's really great. Now yeah, here are like basic print statement देखिए, and we have tons of not tons of other, but some others. We have input here. I don't know why they have named it input. Maybe they have had named it like more perfect, something like more that would be more perfect in the sounds really like solving the purpose. I am not great at Hindi, so I don't know what it should be, but this could be better. Because basically input in English is, you know what it means, right? And same चीज को हिंदी में लिख देना is not serving the purpose, to be honest. So I don't know why they have made it like this. This could be something different, and input is obviously for giving value. That's it. And here is a if statement, agar. So you can use agar something equals to true, then it will operate obviously same uh, if statement. Yes, then we have do dohraye. Okay, this is a for, I think. Yeah, this is maybe a for statement. दोहराए x को y में. So which statement is it? एक ही कोड को बार बार दोहराने के लिए, या टू रिपीट वन कोड मल्टीपल टाइम्स. So this is basically a loop, but I don't know what type of loop it is, because this doesn't look like for loop. Maybe something else loop is this, but yeah, this is a loop. Then we have jab tak. That is till then. Yeah, till then, like it's basically do while then. Jab tak. Yeah, do while. Jab tak. Yeah, jab tak is do while, makes sense, right? Jab tak, count 25. Yeah, yeah, jab tak is. Then we have I may be wrong at this. Okay, I have to like recall all of the programming languages, like all of the programming statements. Then I can answer it. But jab tak is do while, I think. Yeah, do this while this or whatever. Till then क्या होता है programming language में वही होगा. Then we have संख्या. Why we have संख्या? I don't know. City dot sankhya. Okay, this is like the length of the given variable, so it's a great code to be implemented in this, because it's not a regular literal that you always get in basic programming, but it's something different. Then we have pusha. Push. Okay, push. Yeah, push. We have push. Do we have pop? No, we don't have pop. Then why do we have push? Because push pop is stack, right? Push value in, oh, to push a value in array. That's why we have push. Okay. To obviously push a value in array. Then we have rachana. I don't know what rachana is. रचना is basically code जो दोबारा इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता. Okay. Okay. This is like function. So rachana is for function. Okay, so you can create a function. Uh, for creating a function, you have to use this. So yeah, that are the literals that we have over here. Quite different kind of language. But to be honest, it's not funnier like Bhailang. But yeah, still there is something that is bit different. Now I have been thinking, isn't there any Bengali coding language as well? Like Bengali programming language? There must be, to be honest, because हिंदी में हो सकता है, भाईलैंग हो सकता है, भाइयों वाला लैंग्वेज हो सकता है. Then why not in Hindi? Why not in Bengali, right? I have to find it out. Whatever. So that's it for this video. That's it for Kalam language. And if you wanna like see some examples of Kalam language, here are some of the examples that you can see over here. They have provided plenty of. So I really like it that they are providing some of the like programming languages, and you can easily create your program over here because they have all of the literals written over here, so you can easily create it rather than typing it in your keyboard, because that makes sense, right? That makes sense. We have Marathi as well. Oh, Billy Chinagin Nigali. Seriously, it would be great to have Marathi as well. Okay, so yeah, great to be honest, because सच बताए तो अपने लैंग्वेज में काम हो रहा है, तो it is really a proud moment for all of us. And now it is also a open source project. You can contribute to it. Here you can see how can I contribute. Okay, so you can contribute to their GitHub repo anytime if you want. Okay, here is their GitHub repo. This is totally open source language. So yeah, that's about it about this whole language and about this whole video and all. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to me this channel. And if you know about some of the like totally unconventional languages like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos, so you can enjoy them as well. So that's it. Bye for now.